Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin and we are going to do very simple contemporary with this. This is basic contemporary which almost anyone can do it. Thank you. The first step would be sitting down and your legs would be bent, knees bent here. Place your legs, your feet flat on the ground so that you can actually go up. Okay, so this position is going to be the first position, but we will have our back to the audience. So this is how you will sit with your head a little down. When the music starts, you leave one count, and in the second count you do a head roll on your right side. So this. So two head rolls. It would go 1, 2. Then it starts Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin. In the first Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin, you will go Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin. So how do you go? You start with your fists here and you do 1, 2, and keep your legs far apart and go as high as you can. 3, right? So Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin. Then in Baki, we turn from our left shoulder. You place your left leg like this and your right leg like this, and you go 1. This hand, right hand, is stretched out without being bent at the shoulder, straight with palms like this, and your left hand is near your chest, slightly touching it, or you may not even touch it, just keep it here and look down. So it would be Abhi Mujh Mein Kahin, Baki Thodi Si Hai Zindagi. Okay. Then you change your hands. You bring your right hand to your chest. Keep your left hand either on the floor, or you can just keep it here, and you do jaggi, like a heartbeat. You do with your hands like this, still looking down at the floor. So jaggi, dhadkan, just a small chest wave, very slight. Or you can also skip it because dhadkan nahi is very fast. So we do dhadkan nahi. In nahi, what you do is your hands are here. So jaggi, dhadkan. This hand, place it flat on the ground. Then take your right palm and place it on the ground as well. Remember, your left hand is a slightly out with your hands completely straight, and your right hand is here nearer where the left palm ends. There you start with your right fingers and you place it, and this hand is a little bent and you go up. This hand needs to be straight because when you go up, you will touch the elbows to the floor. So up and down. From here, it's out and pull as if you're pulling the sky towards yourself or you're feeling pain. So you do 1 and 2. You are on your knees with your right leg like this, your left leg like this. You pull something. When you pulling, try and reach the sky. So 1, when you come down, you shift your right leg out like this, and your left leg is ahead of the right knees, down. Okay? Then take these two palms, place it completely parallel like this on the ground. See? And take your left knee, place it on the floor, and your right knee would be slightly bent going up. So from here we do 1. And please remember to keep your face looking at the side. So we would look up. So it would be down and up. The next step, from here, place your knee down. Take this knee back and straight. See, this arm is stretched outside and this leg is stretched outside. They are not parallel, but this is slightly, sky towards, but not completely straight, but in the corner. This hand is completely straight. It's almost perpendicular to your body. So from here, we do 1 and 2. Okay? From here, you go hands and this. What do you do with your leg? With your hands, you take 1 round and another round. Okay? And with your legs, you bring it back and out. So you bring back your left leg to place it under your body. Take out your right leg to be what left leg was. Exactly how the left leg was. So you do from here, from the last step here, we are doing 1, 2, 3. In 3, you are coming back on your foot and your knees are bent. 3. And then lift up using your right leg. So place it back and get up. And go further to lift up your left leg slightly in the sky, and then as if you're trying to pull something from that side. So you will do 1, 2. So the last step, from here, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then your left hand would be like a fist and your right hand would go up as if you're holding a cap above your head, and you will take 1 head roll and 2 head roll, and your legs, which were like this, you take your left leg and step out. So it would be and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. What do you do after the head rolls? You throw, almost like you're throwing your left hand out, and your right hand will go, and as if it's pulling something, but at the same time touching your left hand completely, as if feeling it, you're feeling pain or something like that. So you do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Come back here in the center. Then 5 and 6, 7 and 8. What do you do here? You cross your right leg over your left and turn. You take your left leg ahead 1 and come back 2. Then again cross your right leg over your left, cross, step, together. And what do you do with your hands? When you're turning, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you do with your hands? You have these open mudras, not really mudras, but they're like not jazz hands or open hands, but slightly like this. You go down and up. From your shoulders you go down like this, and then you go up, and then you go down like this, and you go up. Now when you end here, after that, keep your elbows bent and your legs slightly bent. Why? Because we have to lie down after this. So if you keep your body completely straight, your fall will be hurtful. So you have to keep your body slightly in the corner like this, and your legs would also be slightly bent at the knees like this. So from the last position, which we are here, you do 1 and 2. Then try and touch the knees first, because you're going to drop your body. But as soon as you touch the knees, remember to extend your palms. Otherwise your knees will take the body weight and it's going to be really bad. So from here 1 and 2, then 3 and 4. So here both your palms are flat on the ground. Your chin and your forehead are both touching on the ground, on the floor, and your legs are stretched out like this. Okay, then from here, without curling your body, you do a roll over your right shoulder. So you go 1, 2. My hands are stretched like this. My legs are stretched like this with my back to the audience. Okay, 2. After that, it's 3, 4. In 3, what are we doing? In 3, you are curling your body as if somebody is kicking you. So, or like if you see a sleeping child or a dog, how do they sleep? So you curling your body inside. So you're stretched out like this, and you do 1 and 2. Okay, so facing back it will be, so 1 and flat, 2 and flat. So here, if your fingers of your toes and your hands were to have strings attached to them, and somebody was pulling you up like you are a doll, and you are trying to prevent it, then what will you do? Up and flat. So it's like you are trying to, somebody is trying to pull you, you're trying to reach the sky and you go flat down. Okay, here you have 2 counts where you have to wait, and then in the next you go flat up and you sit like this. Then it would be अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है Zindagi. And you stand up.